tech tip, I want to look at how you can use FlashFit to its best advantage and help you build assemblies a lot quicker. So as you can see, we've got a piece over here that needs to be mirrored on the other side. So if you hover over it, you can see that it's 129, and I've got that selected over here. So typically FlashFit is set as the default option. But as you can see, we need this piece on the front. So if I use FlashFit, it's going to sort of put it in the wrong place. So you've either got to select this, select the face that you want to mate it to, which is that one. FlashFit will take it to the nearest orientation, so it's done a alignment rather than a mate. So then you've got to go back and pick that and do a flip and get it in the right orientation. So that's probably not the best way of getting the sort of scenario that you want. You may also notice that down here we have a preview of the part. What you may not also know is that you can actually rotate this. So I'm just using the middle mouse wheel and just sort of getting it more into the orientation that I want it in when I see it coming in. So once you've got that done and you drag it in, you'll see that that is the orientation that it uses. So then once we have that, we can then sort of quickly use our FlashFit to sort of get our orientation and stuff set up real quick based on those relationships. So that just sort of gives you a real quick idea. We can also do the same with other parts as well. So 175. Obviously, this one's orientated wrong again, so we can just rotate it around. And then when we drag it in, this one's had its relationships remembered, so we just need to do that and that. And the same with the other part, which is the screw, which is 121. And as you can see, this one's in the right sort of orientation for what we want anyway, so we just drag that in. And again, it's had its relationships remembered. So if you don't know about that as well, you can click on a part. Let's escape out of there, sorry. Click on a part, and you can then go to capture fit, and these are the relationships that were used to create that part. If it's something that you use on a regular basis and it's always going to have the same faces that are selected, you can sort of learn those, and as you see when it comes in, it has that set up directly for you, so you don't even have to pick the faces to start with. So hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully you'll be getting to build your assemblies a lot quicker.